Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a post on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go to your LinkedIn account and go to your profile. Okay, now scroll down little bit and you can see uh, show all posts here, and this is the post which I have loaded or reposted for. So just go for this three dot option and you can see the delete repost option here. So click on it and go for delete. So it's deleted now. So guys, this is how you can delete a post on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.